Guys and girls, I'm heading now to Legazpi City, my hometown. Are you all excited? Right now, we're here in Ligao. And our driver is Kuya, ano nga po ulit kayo? Okay. And we have some companion. Hi guys, how was the biyahe? Pangalan mo Kuya? Ikaw? Pangalan mo Kuya? Ikaw? Nahiya ka eh, no? Ayos lang yan, Bati. Shoutout ka, shoutout. But Darwin, na-inspire ka ba sa... You know what guys? We're talking about success. And Kuya Darwin is being amazed with the owner of this van. Kuya, ikaw, what could be your plans? May plano ka rin bang pantayan si Kuya Darwin?
Tingin ko gusto sana, kaso sa financial hindi kaya. Hindi ko kaya yung nagawa niya.
Pero may plano kang magkaroon din ng ganito balang araw?
Siguro kung may puhunan, magpaturo ko sa kanya kung paano niya ginawa na nagkaroon siyang sarili.
Of course.
Niya, siya yung boss, gano'n.
Don't lose hope, di ba? Pag may tiyaga, may nilaga.
Yun.